Hazrat Ali said about silence as Man qalla kalamahu batala aibahu. Whoever talks less, his faults will remain hidden. Silence reduces anxiety. In many places, silence is the best helper, even if you are the best speaker. Al alimu la yatakallamu bil fazul. A scholar doesn't talk in vain. Avoid telling people about your situation, otherwise you will be humiliated in front of them. If lisanaka ta'izu, if you want to get respect, control your tongue. It is wise to speak less, hence it is necessary for you to keep silent. Around nasi man waqafa in the shabhati. A pious person is one who pauses in doubt. Low sakat al jahilu makhtalafan nas. If the ignorant remains silent, there will be no disagreement. Min fikhi rajuli qillatu kalamihi fima la yugnihi. It is the wisdom of a human being not to speak useless. Apart from remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, more speech hardens the heart. Silence is wisdom, but there are few to adopt it. Yuhibbullahu qillatal kalam. Allah Almighty likes less talkative. Afatul kalami al itolato. A long conversation is a misfortune. Hakim Luqman said to his son, My dear son, when you arrive at a gathering of a nation, pay salam to them and sit on one side. Don't speak until they speak.